How to make a sticker system in Roblox Studio. Add a tool to the starter pack and name it Sticker Tool. Create a part and name it Handle. Raise the part slightly above the ground to prevent issues. Move it to the Sticker tool. Add a remote event and name it Place Sticker. Add a folder to replicated storage and name it Stickers. Add an image label for each sticker. Give each image a different name. Go to the toolbox, select an image for making stickers, copy asset ID, and paste it into the image. Add a screen GUI to the starter GUI and name it Sticker GUI. Add a frame and name it Sticker Frame. Add an image button and name it Sticker Template. Add a UI grid layout for positioning stickers. Add a local script to the Sticker GUI. Writing the script. This script creates a sticker selection UI. Lets the player click one sticker at a time. Get services, UI elements, and sticker storage. Keeps track of which sticker button is currently selected, so only one can be highlighted. Prepare the template. Hides the template so players never see it. Makes it transparent so it starts unselected. Sticker selection function. Removes highlight from the previously selected button, marks the new button as selected, visually highlights it, stores the selected sticker name as an attribute, loops through every sticker stored in replicated storage, configure each sticker button, makes the button visible, sets its image to match the sticker, adds it to the UI frame. When a sticker button is clicked, calls the selection function, highlights the button, saves the selected sticker. Add a local script to the Sticker tool. Writing the script. This script lets the player equip a tool, choose a sticker from a GUI, press a key, and send the sticker placement position to the server. Get services and remote event. Get tool, player, and camera. Tracks whether the tool is currently equipped. Get and disable GUI by default. Enable GUI when tool is equipped. Disable GUI when tool is unequipped. Detect key press to place sticker. Only the E key triggers placement. Get selected sticker. Convert mouse position to world position. Raycasts into the world to find what the player is aiming at. Send placement data to server. Add a script to the Sticker tool. Writing the script. This script receives sticker placement data from the client, calculates the correct surface orientation, and places a sticker flat against walls or floors in the world. Get services, assets, and remote event. This function calculates how the sticker should be rotated so it sits flat on any surface. Prepare direction vectors. Project camera direction onto surface. Removes the forward-backward tilt so the sticker doesn't rotate incorrectly. Fallback if looking straight at the surface. Detect wall versus floor. Calculate right and up vectors. This ensures the sticker stays upright on walls, faces the player naturally on floors. Build the sticker C-frame. Triggered when the player presses E on the client. Validate sticker. Prevents invalid or hacked sticker names. Create the sticker part. Apply the sticker image. Removes the sticker after 5 seconds to keep the game clean. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. If the script works, you can come back and further customize your game. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.